Okay, today we're going to divide polynomial using long division. Before I jump right into the polynomial part, let's review ourselves on how to divide by using long division. If I were to say, let's divide 43 divided by 2 using long division, I would put 43 on the inside of the division symbol and divided by 2. 2 goes on the outside. And I would say, let's take a look at the tens place. I would say 2 times what equals a 4. And I know that 2 times 2 equals a 4, so I'll multiply and write the answer, and write the product right underneath it, and I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Pull down the 3, and I'll say, well, 2 times what is equals to or closest to 3? 2 times 1 is 2, and when I subtract it, I have a 1. And since this is my 1 left over, I would say I have 21. I have 1 over 2. 1 left over out of the 2 that I'm dividing. So it's 21 plus 1/2, or 21.5. Okay, so that's just with numbers. What we're going to look at now is one with variables. So polynomial. Dividing polynomial is very similar to dividing it with just numbers. The first polynomial is going to go inside the division house. So we have x cubed plus 7x squared plus 10x minus 6. One thing we have to keep in mind, we need to make sure that the exponent goes in decreasing order and it doesn't skip. So we have 3, 2, 1, 0. So we're good on that, right? Divided by the polynomial goes on the outside. The second polynomial goes on the outside. X squared plus 4x minus 2. So this is a little tricky because we don't have one number here. We have 3 terms. We only look at the first term. So covering up everything else except for the first term. X squared times what is equals to x cubed? I know that x squared times x is going to give me x cubed. Remember, we always write the product right underneath it. And then we're going to distribute or multiply that x into the other 2 terms on the outside. So x times 4x is going to give me positive 4x squared. And x times negative 2 is going to give you negative 2x. I'm going to have to subtract all of this. So I'm thinking x cubed minus x cubed cancels this out. 7x squared minus 4x squared is 3x squared. 10x minus 2x, that's 10x plus 2x is going to give me positive 12x. Then I'm going to pull down the minus 6. And do this all over again with this the second polynomial that I got from subtraction. So cover everything except for the first term. X squared times what equals to 3x squared. I have x squared times positive 3. That's going to give me 3x squared. So now I'm going to multiply this 3 into this entire polynomial on the outside. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 4x, positive 12x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6. And when I subtract this one, everything cancels this out. So I have a remainder of 0. So my final answer would be right up here, x plus 3. So when I divide x cubed plus 7x squared plus 10x minus 6 by x squared plus 4x minus 2, I get x plus 3.